The Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Mashonaland Central Province, Honorable Christopher Magomo, has urged residents to ignore calls circulating on social media for planned demonstrations and a national shutdown on Friday, 31 July 2026.
Mashonaland Central Provincial leadership has noted with concern the circulation of messages on various social media platforms calling for illegal demonstrations and a national shutdown on the 31st of July 2026. I wish to urge all peace-loving citizens of Mashonaland Central Province to ignore these calls, which are being sponsored and prepared or propagated by our detractors and their Western allies, whose intention is to create unnecessary panic, incite lawlessness, and disrupt the peace and development that our nation continues to enjoy. These frivolous shenanigans and machinations have no space in this province of ours. Mashonaland Central Province has over the years maintained a proud record of peace, tranquility, and unity. Our province have consistently rejected attempts to disturb public order, choosing instead to focus on production, development, and nation building. I have every confidence that the people of our province will once again reject these misguided calls.
The minister assured public that security services are on high alert and fully prepared to maintain law and order throughout the province.
I also wish to assure the public that security services in the province will be on high alert. They are fully prepared to maintain law and order and will not allow any act of anarchy, violence, and criminality to take place anywhere within our province. The safety and security of all citizens remain a top priority. I therefore call upon residents from all the 8 districts of Mashonaland Central Province, that is Guruwe, Pindura, Shamva, Mazowe Mbire, Mount Arwen, Rushinga, and Mzarabani, to discard these unlawful calls and continue with their normal social and economic activities. Let us remain united, peaceful, and law-abiding as we continue to work together towards the attainment of Vision 2030 under the leadership of His Excellency, Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. I urge parents, community leaders, churches, traditional leaders, business operators, and the youth not to be misled by false narratives circulating on social media, but instead to uphold the values of peace, unity, and national development. Friday, 31st July 2026 is a normal working day. Government offices, schools, businesses, and all institutions should continue operating as usual. Together, let us preserve the unity and tranquility that define Mashonaland Central Province. I thank you.
The minister concluded by urging the people of Mashonaland Central Province to remain peaceful, united, and law-abiding as the country continues pursuing its national development goals under Vision 2030. Reporting for Sly Media TV, I'm Sylvester Tapfumanei.